We all know those times when we don't feel on top of the world. This insecurity bites us. We are swimming in the sea of self-doubt. We feel low and fearful, anxious. Those are times when we wish we would just have that confidence that keeps us going. That confidence that tells us we can handle this. That confidence that makes us feel stronger. That confidence that allows us to speak up, to stand tall, to move forward. Confidence tells us something about our innate trust in ourselves, in our skills and capabilities. And we all feel that confidence in many areas of our life already. We do know we are not those helpless bundles that need to be taken off the ground in general. And there are a lot of things we do every day where we feel sure about ourselves and thus confident. That is such a natural mechanism that we have the tendency to overlook it so many times because it feels so normal to us. We only notice moments in time when we lack that natural feeling and wish we would have more of it. And then we want it now. And this often applies in very specific situations where we wish to feel more confident and appear strong. For example, before public speaking, or before we go to meetings, interviews, or networking events. Places where we need to shine and behave socially and open. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people to overcome anxiety and self-doubt so they can fall in love with life with ease and confidence, finding the happiness they deserve. So one way to instantly raise a level of confidence is by borrowing it for a moment from others. This is called modeling. Moving the focus away from ourselves and how we might be perceived by others in and of itself already helps us to feel more confident. The goal of modeling is to really step into the shoes of someone else who has the qualities you desire. That way, you are able to adjust your inside according to what you think it is you want or need. So take a moment and think of someone you believe is confident in that very specific area you wish to be more confident in. This person you will model could be anyone. It could be a real person or imagined. Maybe this someone is doing something exceptionally well. Maybe it is in public speaking. Maybe this someone is highly charismatic in general and can sell anything to anyone. Maybe this someone is confidently outgoing and social, easygoing. Maybe it's an actor, maybe it's a fictional character, someone you know personally and admire, or maybe even a cartoon. It really doesn't matter. And when you found that someone, just become curious and playful. It's now your time to really become that person. Study them well. How does this person hold themselves? How do they stand? How do they move? How do they gesture? How do they walk? How do they speak? What are the things they say? What do they express with their faces, their bodies? How do they laugh and smile? How do they breathe? Yes, even this. And now it's your turn. Step into that role, being that person or character fully and completely. Talk like them. And you can talk to a mirror, to a wall, or to a pet while you're practicing it. Move and behave like they would move and behave. Adjust your body language, your tone, your breathing. Feel how it is being them. And you will notice by stepping fully into that other person's mannerisms and behaviors that you wish you would have more of now. You will automatically create feelings of confidence, charisma, joy, whatever it is you pick. For now it's borrowed, yes, but you can learn more of that with time and make it yours. It just will become natural with time, your second nature, and easier to create confidence even when you don't quite feel like it. You just step back into that other person's personality. I have played with this a long time ago. I have chosen 4 ladies that are kind of my heroes, and I stepped into being them. Not only was it a lot of fun doing it, but it also felt really great. I attached one of my playtimes here at the end of this video. It's a fictional character. It's Margot Channing in my all-time favorite movie, All About Eve. Maybe you know it. Played by the fabulous Bette Davis, who is one of my heroes. Have fun watching this iconic film scene I modeled. And if you want to see more of me playing, just for the fun of it, comment below. And let me tell you a secret. There's a reason behind the personalities you choose. They are your heroes for a reason. And that reason being, something inside of you is already connected to their traits. A part of you is already them. It's maybe a bit hidden for now, but take this experiment to learn more about yourself too. Let me know in the comments who your heroes are and why you have chosen them. What is it that makes them unique and wonderful to you? And hey, enjoy playing.
Hannah, you're a Gibson girl. The general atmosphere is very Macbethish. What has or is about to happen?
What is he talking about?
Macbeth.
We know you. We've seen you like this before. Is it over or is it just beginning? Fasten your seatbelts. It's going to be a bumpy night.
Mademoiselle, je vous remercie infiniment pour l'invitation.
Enchanté to you too.
I hope this video was useful and fun for you. And if it was, leave a like, share it, and if you would like to stay updated about upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely and fun day playing. Bye for now.